Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about how to refurbish your screwdrivers. And for some of you, and including myself, you're beat the crap out of your screwdrivers, you use it for various things, and eventually they start to look like crap, and maybe you'd like to refurbish them a bit. So here's a screwdriver that I'd like to point out to you, and I'll get it on the workbench and show you another close-up. But you've got a lot of crud on here. Sometimes you get rust, and look at all this oxidation or whatever the heck is going on here, and we're going to clean all that up, show you how I do it, and give you a few options based on the tools that you have. So I'm going to start first on the shaft of the screwdriver, and you've got a few options here. First, there is a little bit of paint on here, and you've got a few options, like I said, to take care of this. If it's thick on there and you're comfortable using a razor blade, you can take one of these style razor blades and just run it up here. Let me spin my hand around so you can actually see it, and you can take it off that way. Now that's a process, right? Especially if you've got a lot of screwdrivers to do. Another option you have is you can get one of these metal brushes that you can attach to a drill, and you can run that across here. Let me show you that. I got just about all of that paint off. You just spend a couple of seconds on it again. There you go. Now, if you didn't have one of these, you have another option. You can just use a file. Let me spin this around, and we can do another side. Got a file. You can use a file to do this. Let's see if we can get the screwdriver set there. Okay, and you do it a few times, you'll be able to get that off. But you're also noticing I'm taking the paint off too. So if you want, you can spray paint it back over if you care, especially if you want to protect it. Okay. And then another option besides the file is you can take, now this has got quite a bit of paint on here, this type of sandpaper, like emery cloth. Okay, you wrap it around something flat like the file or a piece of wood. It'd be nice if I did it the right way. Okay, there we go. And it's taking that off there. And this one is a little bit less abrasive than the other two options, but it is working. Okay, there you go. Okay, we got an accident. Now, I don't really like what's happening with the paint. If you want to fully restore it, you can go get that silver paint or whatever color you want and repaint it. And a lot of times people lose their screwdrivers or may have them stolen. You could potentially paint it a color that's very unique to you. So that's another option you have. Okay, so let's continue with this and just finish it up. Let's just use this one. Let's work on the handle. Now look at all of this. There are a lot of different things you can do with this too. And I'm going to use the Dremel, which will, if you have a Dremel, it'll be something that'll make this part a little easier for you. Okay, so first, getting in this groove here, I've got the Dremel and I've got a little abrasive stone. You could also, if you wanted to, use one of these guys with some rubbing compound that you use on the car. Okay, but you got to be very careful. By the way, this smells like shit, and actually smells like puke, and I'm doing a follow-up video. I'll launch it within the next couple of days, and I'll link to it below. In the event that you also have screwdrivers that smell like puke, I'm going to show you how to get rid of that smell too. So I got the deep grooves done with that Dremel, and if you don't have a Dremel, you can always find other ways to do it. Just use your imagination. And now I've got a little buffing wheel that I use to, if you happen to see my video on how to restore your headlights, I used a hand pad, and then afterwards I got this, and it worked a lot better. I'm going to put a little bit of the compound on here. Let's open that up. And let's see what this will do on here. I'm going to go slowly at first because I don't want it to splatter everywhere. Get a little on the camera. Okay. Look at the difference. Crazy, right? Yeah, that's a lot better. And like I said, if you'd like to, you can just spray paint this again and maybe hit it with a clear coat, and you've got your fully restored screwdriver if you don't mind the nicks in there. Another thing you can do is, if you felt like it, which is to get a little blowtorch and just lightly pass over it a few times, and that'll kind of melt this back. But if you spend too much time on it, it's going to start bubbling up on you like a pizza, so you don't want to do that. So is this enjoyable? If you think you want to do this for your screwdrivers, looks like I got a little bit more left to do on here, then definitely give it a try. You don't have to have all this equipment. You can use just your basic buffing pads that you've got for your car. There, that's better. And then away you go. So please hit that like button for me, and refurbish your screwdrivers. Look much better. And hit that like button, like I said. Subscribe. Appreciate you all for watching. Thanks everyone, and have a great day.